Kia ora, welcome to my happy place. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment so I know that you've been. Don't be shy, and please enjoy. Right, I don't know what happened, but my computer just shut off, which was very, very annoying. Anyway, so as I said, I've got these flowers here, and I thought that I might glue them down there, and maybe pop the butterflies around. Got a tiny little green one here, like that, and I quite like that. So something popped up on my screen, I don't know what it was, but so I think that's what I'm going to do, and I think I'll glue them down with. Right, now I don't want to use that, and I don't want to get those all mucked up. So where is my bit of, there we go. Right, just flip these over and be very careful that I don't rip them. Yes, I don't know what that was with my computer. I have a feeling it decided to update itself. And I don't have it set to do it in the daytime. I have it set to, I've stuck that down. That just really irritate you if it rips, which it didn't, thank goodness. Right, I'm going to put the stalk, or the stem, should I say, right in the middle, in the corner there, and just bring you out like that. It's not going to glue down now. There. It's glued. It's a bit of a trouble with the wrapping paper. It doesn't take the glue the same, so maybe if I put the glue on the right. That's better. That's better. So, bring me back up again. I'm sorry about that. Right, and I'll just tilt you down to the bit that I'm working on. Now, just move this around so where it's not sticky. So, yeah, I took my granddaughter, Ashley, to her physio, and she is improving, but very slowly. She didn't break her Achilles, but it's very, very swollen and bruised. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. Another bit here that's not sticky. Husband was talking to the neighbour right outside, so I hope it doesn't come over too loud on the. Right. It's going to go there like that. Now we'll just pull the book down we'll get rid of that. I've got a bit of oops. Right. Let's see how we'll go with this one. Oh. Yeah. Right. I'll just take it out just a bit more so you can see the whole page. There we go. We'll do our butterflies. I just pull out a bit of waxed paper. Makes a terrible noise over the excuse me. Makes a terrible noise over the webcam, but it's the best thing for gluing on. Right, now I did have a little one for there. Where did that go? Lost it. I have lost it. Oh well. Right. Right, I don't want to do anything else to that. Find my lid. I think I want to put a bit of white on it is what I want to do. And I'll just get my bit of this back. So opened a new one. The other one finally. Right, and I think I'm going to just stamping with it. Now I don't know how this will turn out. No, I don't think that's going to show up. It's definitely not going to show up, is it? No. Right, well, we won't do that. Look out some. I think it is. Right, I'm back again. I have never done a video with so many interruptions. My granddaughter rang me. She'd left something at home and needed it for school. So I had to go off and do that. Right, so I was talking about putting white on there and that didn't work. So I thought maybe, I've just got it propped up a bit because it's got a bit of a glare there where the butterflies are. So I thought maybe I might put a little bit of washi tape on it. I've got all these washi tapes and I don't use them much. I thought some little strips of washi tape might just go cool. That looks alright. And more a little bit down here. Oh, like that. And another skinny little one that I don't think I've ever used. Put a couple of bits around it just to just for fun, just because I can. Right. Now I wonder if I splashed some white ink, it might show up. Oops. Alright, we shall have a try. What have I got here? Oh, those are big drops. Yeah, a few little ones. Right. Dry them off and see if they stay there. Right, I'm back and I think I'm just going to put a few more little black marks on it, just because I can. Well, I think I like that, and I think I'm going to call it finished. Just the date is the 25th. Yes, 25th of the 5th, 18, and let's try it. Next. Yeah. Just lift it up a bit. So that is my page, and I'm pretty happy with it. The ink dots were a bit big, so I blotted them off a bit, but I'm quite happy with it. So sorry for all the interruptions, and hopefully the next one goes smoother.
Thank you for being with me. Kia kaha, stay strong, and I'll catch you again soon.